On your mark. Get set. Go.
Here, look. Look. It looks like they're jealous about this. Look.
The whole thing. And the strawberries.
You're adding. Oh my god.
Come on.
Stop, baby. Can we go somewhere else?
You can give up, you know.
She has to do a wormy dog around the store if she gives up.
Oh. Lovely. It hurts. I give up.
What?
It sucks.
You give up?
What?
It hurts.
Keep going. You
Keep
still got
going.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Let's go. Keep it up.
You're only 50 seconds in.
Come on. You're going to do a wormy dog right around this entire area. You really want to do that? You got 2 minutes right now. That was the
Start. We're doing your wormy dog.
Baby, Chloe, go somewhere
Yeah.
Do your wormy dog.
No.
Do your wormy dog.
Right now?
Yeah. Right now.
2 minutes.
No. You're gonna either gonna keep going or you're gonna do your wormy dog.
You were telling him to stop doing that. Here,
Yep.
try this.
That was sad.
Baby,
I've had plenty of work dogs in my life, so
Baby,
All
Chloe,
around the store.
try
this
this.
isn't that big of
Come on.
a deal, okay?
Baby, Chloe.
Come on. Go.
Do this too, baby, Chloe.
All the way around the store.
This is hard.
No. You're going the wrong way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Make memories. Funny ones.
Keep going.
I'm very
You guys see the moth more.
very
Alright.
disappointed.
Yeah.
Ah.